Uh, of course, we can make a film. Of course, we can exhibit a film. But still, the primary person who can take our film to the right audience is you. And throughout the journey for the last 1.5 years, you have always kept our film in the top. I don't know why. I think it's pure love. I want the same love to continue and take us to that space where we all want to achieve. And of course, in return, I can assure you one thing, apart from an entertainer, we have a clean message conveying film, which is much needed for the current society. And let's not just get entertained, let's carry this message. Of course, you are the right tool to take this to the roots. Please take this message to the roots, and thanks for supporting us, thanks for coming here. Please do all come with your family on December 24th to the theatres. Definitely every member of your family has something to take home from Baby John. Baby John is a good father, good police officer, good husband, good lover, good son, and you have all kinds of emotion which will satisfy highly family. And then definitely as a parent you will have a great message to take home and create a great society for the next generation. Thank you everyone for coming here, and now I will thank my in-house team. Murad Bhai, thanks for being a partner and making this film, and the great VD, Varun Dhawan, Baby John. So he was so sweet, and he was outstanding in the film. Till today morning, we were in the final mix of the film. It was very emotional for us to give the film to the overseas. We really felt emotional, and I think Varun Dhawan has really pushed his hard limit to give us maximum to the film. Thank you, Varun sir. Kirti Suresh, who's our best friend, and thanks for accepting this film. And it's a very important role, which is a very challenging role, and she has pulled it off, and it is highly emotional, and I'm sure she's going to make you all cry. That I can guarantee you. And thank you, Amika. I've been waiting to work with you for a very long time. First we have produced a film, so soon we will work together for sure. And thanks for accepting this film. And my dear friend, and who's 18 years friend of mine, is just doing this drama only in front of you. He doesn't do this. Okay, so he's my good friend. 19 years back, when I was a short film maker, he was a short film maker. We bumped into each other and said, I'm gonna do my short film tomorrow. Can you be my AD tomorrow? And he said yes. And that has been continuing for 19 years. He has worked in Jawan as a second unit director, and he has already directed a film. He should have a great heart to come as a second unit director after directing a film. He has already directed in Tamil industry. And thank you so much. You had a great heart, buddy. So thank you, and definitely he's gonna be the pick of this year as a director for sure. We have, as a studio, Jio, Cine One and AFR Apple, we are very happy to introduce Khalees to this industry. Thank you, Jyoti ma'am, being a great support. Thank you, Jio Studio, for being a great support. I think I've done the basic things. Now let's whatever bro you ask, bro.
I'll do that, sir. Varun, I'll come to you quickly. Jio Studios, sir just talked about Jyoti ji, and Murad sir यहाँ पे, Priya ma'am यहाँ पे. What do you have to say? इतनी तगड़ी backing Baby John को इस Christmas.
नहीं, बहुत ज़रूरी है तगड़ी बैकिंग आने की, क्योंकि इन टुडेज इन्वायरमेंट अगर आपको फिल्म लेके आनी है तो आपको यू नीड वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोडक्शन सपोर्ट. दैट इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिलीज अ फिल्म अदरवाइज, because very larger than life films are only coming nowadays. ऐसे environment हो गया. So in that much time, approximately it will be 55 days after which a Hindi film is going to release now, an all-out Hindi film right now, abhi theatre. So we, like at least I said, we need your support here in this market. Please, to the press, thank you for giving us so much love. And Christmas is a time when I have always wanted to release films. हमेशा से मैं चाहता था कि मेरी कोई film Christmas में आए, because it's a time when children really love watching films. They like going out, and we've had to really fight and struggle to get this date, because ये date historically this date has been आमिर sir बहुत फिल्में release करते थे historically on this date, you know. So we are very lucky and thankful to Amir sir that he's given us this date, and with his blessing we are going ahead. And one more thing, I just want all the press to congratulate Kirti Suresh here. She's newly married. हमारी नई नवेली दुल्हन आई है यहाँ पे मुंबई में. So
Thank you so much. Thank you. He had told me backstage that he's going to embarrass me. He's going to say this 100 times. But thank you so much.
I don't want to be the only married actor. Now we both are. Congratulations.
Thank you.
कीर्ति मैं आपके पास ही आ जाता हूँ. Welcome to Amchi Mumbai one more time.
He's always handsome.
No, but आज आप कुछ अलग ही लग रहे हो. First time seeing you in the suit boot, मतलब you're looking very handsome.
I think because he's sitting
Producer avatar sir. Producer.
अरे वाह क्या
Right, Bhavika, there's a lot of positivity और ये bonding बड़ी कमाल की दिख रही है. We saw the first look और उसके बाद से अब तक. Talk to us about this entire journey अभी, because 7 दिन रह गए हैं, बस रिलीज को तैयार हैं.
I know, मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. मुझे किसी ने ना बहुत पहले बोला था कि अगर आपको समझना हो कि कोई डायरेक्टर कैसा है या कोई राइटर कैसा है, you watch their films, you'll know what he believes in. So if you'll see Atlee sir's films, the female characters in his films are so strong, and that shows that how much he appreciates the women in his life. And even in this film, while shooting for this film, ये कुछ अलग एक्सपीरियंस था मेरे लिए. इतने खूबसूरत लोग हैं ये लोग दिल से, इतने सिक्योर हैं, इतना प्यार है इनके अंदर. I feel so lucky that I got a chance to work with them. My first meeting with Atlee sir, he inspired me कि how important it is to be a good person. And I think even in our film, you'll see that the main focus is that how important it is to be a good person, how important it is, how important good upbringing is. So I think it shows what he believes in, what Kali sir believes in. It was a blast working with Kali sir, first of all, I have to tell you.
You want to imitate him?
No, I don't. But it was amazing. It was one of a kind of an experience. I always wanted to work with Murad sir. I am so happy that we are working together. I'm very grateful and thankful.
बात सीधा रखो.
It has been an incredible experience working with Varun and Kirti. Kirti के साथ मेरे इतने scenes नहीं हैं. But the love that I feel from her is just how do you have so much love in your heart? I love it. Thank you so
She just
much.
got married now. तो निकलता है प्यार.
It just Varun के बारे में मैंने जितना मैं जानती थी through films or interviews, when I worked with him, I understood what a beautiful human being he is. Never, generally when you work with a star who has done so many films and has a name, it can be very intimidating. But he made sure that I feel super comfortable so that I can give my 100% on set, and it was amazing. Thank you so much for being so nice.
Likewise.
But Atlee sir, thank you. You have no idea how much I've learned from you. The kind of personality you are, I think one thing that I'm going to really take away from this experience is you. The empathy, the love that you have for everyone and everyone's journey. Thank you for inspiring me. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
I mean, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I love you, Priya ma'am. And Zara, I love you.
Priya ma'am,
We are very, very, very happy to be here in the first place, because this is like a dream come true for us, because we are just babies and this is our first production in Bollywood. So first of all, I would like to thank Cineone Murad sir. We learnt a lot from him. He handled this project like with so much of love, and thank you so much, Murad sir. He's family now to us. And thank you so much, Varun sir. Thank you so much for trusting us.
Yeah. You're younger than me or you're the same age?
Almost the same.
So then why call me sir? It's so strange that because even Atlee sir and me, we are the same age, we are the same age. We are the same age. So then if he calls me sir, I have to call. We are only saying sir, 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 sir. But we are, and he's a very cool guy besides being a
Of course, yeah.
producer.
He
He's
is,
like a
he
very
is.
cool cat. A cool cat.
No, he's a very, very, very cool person. Like, I've learned a lot from Atlee. And thank you so much, Kirti. Like, she's like our best friend. And I know that she came into this film just for us. So thank you so much, Kirti. Kirti! And Vamika, you're such a wonderful performer, Vamika. I really adore you, like, on screen. You're such a wonderful performer. And we are, myself and Atlee, we're very, very proud to launch our family member, Khalis. He's more than a friend to us. He's been with us throughout the journey in Bollywood. So, thank you so much, Khalis. No one could have done this. No one could have done justice to this film. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And Khalis is crying. And we hope to see the same love from you all. And Baby John is releasing this Christmas. Please, please, please watch it in theaters. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
जैसा एडिटर ने बताया आपको फिल्म के बारे में, द मैसेज, गुड पेरेंटिंग एंड ऑल, उसके अलावा जैसा आपने ट्रेलर में देखा है, दिस इज अ फुल ऑन कमर्शियल मसाला एंटरटेनर. बहुत सारा एंटरटेनमेंट भी मिलेगा. इस फिल्म बहुत बड़े स्केल पे है. यू विल एंजॉय विजुअली. फिल्म का बैकग्राउंड इज ऑन अनदर लेवल. सो एंड सॉन्ग्स यू हैव हर्ड. एंड आर वी अमोल, are we, is there a surprise? So there is one more song coming out today or tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, so you'll see that. So it's a romantic track. So there is a love story and everything in the film.
Yeah.
And I'd like to thank Atlee sir for trusting me. Priya ma'am. Zara, thank you.
Right.
I just saw Varun dragging you on the stage. Was he doing the same while shooting also?
Both of them, you're asking?
Yeah, of course. First Vamika.
पहले Vamika. Did I?
बदमाशी करता था क्या बहुत?
बदमाशी करता था.
Ragging.
बोलो.
नहीं, आई थिंक हम सब रियली, एक तो हम वैसे भी बहुत सब रिलैक्स लोग हैं, तो कोई ड्रैग करके नहीं लेके जाता था सेट पे.
सर, इसको लोग जानते नहीं अभी तक. ये खुली नहीं है आप सबके सामने अभी तक. धीरे धीरे वो ये मेरे को रैग करती थी. मैं कोशिश करता था इनको रैग करने के लिए, बट मैं रैग हो जाता था फिर.
क्या बात
ये तो गुंडी है.
क्या
ऑटो में
हैदराबाद क्या बात
But take you in auto doesn't mean
शी सेड तू चल ऑटो में चल. क्या गाड़ी में जा रहा है, स्टार है क्या? फुल ऑटो में घुमाया मुझे, पूरा भारत दर्शन किया. देन एट नाइट शी सेड सीलिंग नहीं देखा है मैंने, सीलिंग में जाना चाहिए हम लोग को. तो ऑटो में नहीं गए.
How was it working with Varun, both the girls?
Varun is great. I mean, jokes apart, he's a great human being. And like Vamika said, he makes sure that he comforts you so much. Because he is happy when you are happy. All said and done, but he also pulls your leg a lot. He does rag me. And he says I rag him too much, but I don't know. Really? ठीक है, मैं अभी शादी करके आई हूँ तो I'm sorry.
Vamika, how is Varun as a co-actor?
How is he?
मैंने एक्चुअली अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन में सबसे पहले वही बात की, दैट इट वाज अ प्लेजर वर्किंग विद हिम. जनरली लोग, कोई भी इंटिमिडेट होगा दैट यू गोइंग टू बी वर्किंग विद सच अ ब्यूटिफुल बिग टीम हु हैव been doing excellent work in their fields, and I was nervous, but the first day only when I met him, when we worked together, I knew it's going to be easy. I will be able to give my best in this, and that shows what kind of a human being he is. अगर नहीं अच्छा होता तो मैं ज़बरदस्ती कुछ नहीं बोलती आज. मतलब he is so good that I want to like बार-बार तारीफ करना चाहती हूँ तुम्हारी मैं. That he's such a secure actor. He is so supportive. He would always would want कि जितना अच्छा हो सके उतना. He is not someone who will only think about himself, and that's the best thing about him.
Oh, and he
Hello.
gossips a lot.
Yeah, hello. Hi, here. Alankar.
अलंकार भी
Hi. So, वरुण, जब आप लोगों ने एंट्री मारी एंड वो जो बच्ची है प्यारी सी जो फिल्म में आपकी बेटी का रोल कर रही है उसके साथ जो आपका
Zara, she wants to come here. You have to say 5 times का table. Come here.
See,
हाँ.
this is what I was saying कि जब आपने एंट्री की जिस तरीके से आप उसके साथ खेल रहे थे उसको प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे थे फ्रॉम दिस ये जो हो रहा था एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा फादरली इंस्टिंक्ट नजर आया. Does it change you, Varun, after becoming a father?
You know, honestly, मैं बचपन से ही मुझे बच्चों के साथ मजा आता था. Though I was a kid, I would enjoy. When I did films also early on in my career, I would always concentrate कि जो मैं content बाहर डाल रहा हूँ, kids can watch these kind of films. You know, I want to make films that children can watch, they can enjoy, put a smile on their faces, and that's why I enjoy a lot with kids. I enjoy their games. I enjoy doing masti with them, and I saw her bottle. It's so pretty. And with her तो मुझे बहुत मजा आया इसके साथ. हम लोग ने इतना शूटिंग किया है साथ में. And I have to say something about Zara, that she's a very very good actor. Don't go by how old she is. She's a very very good actor. She's a very intelligent actor. And वो जिस तरीके के emotions लेके आते हैं ये
Too smart.
फुल धमाल है ये, फटाका है एक नंबर की. एंड we had a lot of fun together. She has another little sister and little brother also. I would play with her little sister also in the van. And she gave me a gift for my baby. You know, when I had a baby, she gave me a gift also. So thank you, Zara.
But have you changed as a person?
I don't know. अभी मतलब पहले भी अच्छा ही बोलते थे, अभी भी अच्छा ही बोल रहे थे. Change मतलब after becoming a father, I changed. I don't know यार, मैं इतना अपने आप को स्टडी नहीं कर रहा हूँ अभी. But मैं कोशिश right now I'm running such a tight schedule. इधर से उधर भाग रहा हूँ कि I'm only changing clothes. As a person, I don't think I'm changing. I think I'm becoming back like my old personality, like how I was during मैं तेरा हीरो. मैं वैसे ही वापस वो zone में जा रहा हूँ. I'm feeling.
And for you, so I firstly want to understand how did this collaboration with Atlee and Priya ji come about?
We met through a common friend, actually. कौन सा?
विनोद देख रहा है विनोद.
So
विनोद मारा.
वरुण को सब जानते हैं. हाँ, so मिलने के बाद हमने डिस्कस किया and obviously we all love this script and Ashley sir wanted to make this and then we made 4-5 times and that's how this happened.
Thank you, sir.
हाय वरुण, जानना चाहूँगी सलमान जी के साथ आपने कोलैबोरेशन किया है. हाउ वाज दैट फीलिंग? कितना एंजॉय किया?
बहुत अच्छा. It's been one of its kind. आजकल लोग सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे कोलैबोरेशन कर रहे हैं. हम लोग एक्चुअल फिल्म में कर रहे हैं प्रॉपर कोलैबोरेशन which feels good. And he's one of a kind, has the largest heart in our business, and I think when you see the film, all his fans are going to be very 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 pleased.
Any compliment you got from Salman ji?
वो सीधा कॉम्प्लीमेंट तो देते नहीं है मुझे. बस I mean he just saw me said baby John बड़ा हो गया baby. I don't know if that's a compliment but yeah, I mean go in his style.
Hi Varun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I have earlier also seen many times you are performing quite bold and quite daring stunts. So how difficult this time was doing some stunts, because it's a quite daredevil stunts. Was there any challenges? Did you injured?
No, that's a very good question and बहुत different था because the kind of stunts और जिस तरीके का action हम लोग ने बेबी जॉन में किया, it's not usually हम लोग जैसे करते हैं यहाँ पे. हमारे जो action directors थे, right from Arnal sir to Yannick to Stunt Siva to some other ones that we used, it's a mix of a lot of international meets Indian stunt masters. I remember one story when I was shooting a very big rain fight in Kerala. I was shooting in Kochi, and before going for the fight, Atlee sir called and just warned me. He said, "Sir, if you don't want to do a stunt, don't do it." He said, "If you don't want to do a certain stunt, please avoid it. You tell Kalis no, because he will push you." And then after that, I realized that he called Kalis and told the same thing to Kalis, that if Varun says he wants to do something and it's very dangerous, you don't agree. So later on, he told me that you're both mad, so I have to be careful or don't do some crazy things. But that didn't stop Kalis, obviously. He hung me for 6 hours upside down. He made me ride a horse at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Inspire, please, will we get to see you more on screen in the Hindi belt?
I mean, of course, I'm thinking, I'm hoping so. But yeah, from whatever we've done, first of all, thank you so much. And this film is going to be very big, and I love my character. I've honestly loved playing this character, and fingers crossed, I'm hoping for the best. Thank
Can
you
we
so much.
manifest the next produced and directed by Atlee with Kirti in Hindi?
Yeah, of course, for sure. I think as an audience, when I saw the film, I think Kirti is going to create a great attraction towards the audience for sure. 100% she has everything, and in the emotional way, what she has done, I think it's fabulous. It's fabulous.
Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
you were looking beautiful, beautiful bride.
Thank you so much.
हाय वरुण
ताली बजा रहे थे।
पूरा नाम पूछो सर, पूरा नाम पूछ लो उसको,
नाम क्या है?
पूरा पूरा
विशाल अंबानी।
बीच वाला नाम पूछो।
पूरा नाम
विशाल मुकेश अंबानी। वरुण, मैं सवाल पे आता हूँ।
Are you the producer of the film?
जियो
वरुण, मैं सवाल पे आता हूँ।
जियो वाले
चुक जियो।
थैंक यू। वरुण, जब बी नाम की लेटर आपकी मूवीज में आती है, वो हमेशा हिट हुई है। आपके लिए बी काफी लकी रहा है। भेड़िया हो गया, बदलापुर हो गया, नाउ बेबी जॉन, बवाल भी आई थी। तो डू यू थिंक बी लेटर इज योर की टू सक्सेस?
बीवी नंबर 1
विशाल जी, अंबानी जी।
और सबसे खास बात है, मेरे चैनल का भी नाम बजुका है, तो वो भी बीसी है।
सर, आपके तो बहुत चैनल है। सर, बात तो सही है, बात में दम है। एंड बेबी जॉन एक बम है जो 25 दिसंबर को फटेगा, पर कितना बड़ा फटेगा क्रिसमस पे, दैट आई थिंक द ऑडियंस हैज टू डिसाइड। जनता जनार्दन। सो फॉर मी इट्स ऑलवेज द ऑडियंस. I mean, I don't get into this. I hope so. It's going to be lucky again. I pray. But सब जनता जनार्दन हम लोग पिक्चरें ऑडियंस के लिए बनाते हैं, and them liking it and them disliking it, they decide. They are the decider. सब ऑडियंस के ऊपर है।
वरुण,
यार इवेंट नहीं करेगा यार, हम लोग को पहले वो
Hello, yeah. Sir, Narinder Bhutani from Punjab Kesari, and let me remind you a bit. आपकी कोका-कोला की कमर्शियल थी, जिसमें ऊपर से ना जूते फेंकता था एक इंसान, और जो आपको दिखा रहा था वो मैं ही था। It's been like 12 years now. So my question is, Coca-Cola की टीवी कमर्शियल हमने करी थी, and now जो Coca-Cola का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है दिलजीत दोसांझ, वो आपकी फिल्म के अंदर दिख रहे हैं। Tell me about that collaboration, and it's for the producers also and for you also. The experience with Diljit Dosanjh.
दिलजीत पाजी के साथ काम करके तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा। आई थिंक पूरा भारत उनसे बहुत प्यार करते, द वे इज एंटरटेनिंग अस थ्रू ऑल हिज टूर्स, एंड ऑनेस्टली इट जस्ट टुक वन रिक्वेस्ट। एक बार खाली पूछा उनसे, गाना भेजा थमन सर का, उनको गाना बहुत पसंद आया। इसलिए आई वुड लव टू वर्क विद एटली सर, आई वुड लव टू सिंग फॉर यू, एंड वो सेट पे आए, एंड ही वाज जस्ट अ ड्रीम टू वर्क विद। आई थिंक वर्किंग विद दिलजीत वाज सो इजी दैट डे, वी हैड सो मच फन। बहुत मजे किए हम लोग ने साथ में, एंड आई थिंक ही इज इन अ स्पिरिचुअल प्लेस भाई। वो एक आर्टिस्ट है जो बहुत प्योर है, एंड वो जिस तरीके से लोगों को एंटरटेन करे, इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल टू सी। just अफार से देखना उनको बहुत मजा आता है. And I'm going to be co-stars with him also soon. हम लोग एक पिक्चर भी कर रहे हैं अभी next. But whatever. But I'm very happy. So thank you Diljit Paji for singing our song Nain Mein Takka, and song is doing so well. Gana hit हो गया है. So a lot of credit goes to him, to Dhi, to Thaman sir, to Irshad bhai, and Atlee sir also for getting us the songs.
Hello to the team. You said that Atlee sir did mention to you that after Citadel, you will get the confidence on OTT to finally believe that people are going to love you in action, and now people have really appreciated you in Citadel. It went so well. Do you feel super confident for a theatrical action release?
That's a good question. I think my confidence, a lot of my confidence comes from my makers, my co-stars, the people I work with. They give me the confidence, and the way this man makes films, the way he produces films, the way he puts films together, puts a lot of confidence. The way Murad sir, almost every day I talk to him more than his family. So the way he gives me confidence every day to fight, to level up in life means a lot. But above all, I genuinely want to say that this gentleman over here, if this film is going to, when it does well, I hope it's going to do very well, it's going to be because of him. Because more than confidence, he's put in a lot of emotion into this film. वो जो आग है उनमें, वो जो जज्बा है उनमें, वो it's the amount he's put now. It's very difficult. We are also pushing, even I'm pushing every day, like giving my best. But he's been relentless. His tears are going to make this film a very, very big one.
Ramika, what emotions are you feeling?
I'm very grateful, thankful. ये words बहुत ही ऐसे ही लगते होंगे, grateful, thankful, but I know how it feels. It's just, I thank God every day that for a person like me who comes from a background जहाँ पे chance नहीं है ज़्यादा, I don't know मैंने क्या ऐसा life में किया है that I met such good people in my life who I don't know saw what in me, supported me. Thank you so much Atlee sir again. My first meeting with him and the way he inspired me, the way he just motivated me in the first meeting, I was just surprised. I'm like, if I ever be really successful in life, that's the mindset I want to have in life, how to give chances to people that you really believe in. And I'm so glad that he believed in me. And Kalees sir, when I met him for the first time, I didn't know that I was meeting him for the second time. I'd actually met him few years back on some other South Indian film set. And that was a surprise to me that I've already met him. I'm just very happy to be working with Varun sir and Kirti and produced by Murad sir. It was just like, it's a dream come true. And I swear मुझे नहीं पता है कि मेरे साथ ये कैसे हुआ है, क्या मेरे लाइफ में या मेरे पेरेंट्स ने अच्छे कर्म किए होंगे that I'm experiencing these moments in my life. So thank you and thank you.
Arun, hi. The trailer looks amazing, the poster looks amazing, and I think this is gonna be larger than life cinema, as Varun you said earlier. My question is to Atlee or Kalees or whoever can take this question. Like, past 2 years have been full of cameos, films filled with cameos, and whichever film which has cameo did well. So for filmmakers, is it?
And cameos are in certain films are made for make a added advantage to the film, but certain films have cameos which even the script demands. I think if I have to say about Baby John, it has both. It needed an added advantage, at the same time the script demanded someone in a very, very, very big scale who can be the boss of everyone. So he's going to be the boss of everyone. That's a snippet I can give. So someone has to be very big. So I asked Murad sir if Salman sir can do it, it would be great. Then it immediately happened.
वरुण, मेरा सवाल आपसे बहुत बेस्ट फिल्म थी और उसको आज तक हम भूल नहीं पाए. इवन आमिर जी ने हमें अपने बर्थडे में बताया था कि नए बच्चों में मुझे वरुण का काम बदलापुर में बहुत पसंद आया था। ये फिल्म भी उसी पर बेस्ड, मतलब कुछ एक कॉज बेस्ड फिल्म है, तो कितना चैलेंजिंग था एक कॉज बेस्ड फिल्म को करना और उसमें एक मासी कैरेक्टर को भी प्ले करना?
बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है, इमोशनली बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है। कुछ ऐसे सीन्स हैं ये फिल्म में जब हम लोग करते थे, काफ़ी सीन्स है वे आई वुड बी इमोशनली वेरी ड्रेन्ड एंड बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता था जिस तरीके से शूट होता था। तो कलीसा वुड इनफैक्ट टेल मी दैट वरुण डोंट गेट सो इमोशनल इन द सीन, ट्राई एंड बी स्ट्रेट, बट मैं सीन में परफॉर्म करते करते ही आई वुड sometimes break down because the issue that we are trying to show and the kind of case that we deal with in this film वो बहुत hard hitting है, spine chilling है, and it comes in a very commercial way, but in a commercial film I don't think कि ऐसा कभी case किसी ने दिखाया है in this way, and I can guarantee you that chapter of the film जब वो आएगा it is going to shake up people. I am sure about that. I don't want to talk about the other prospects of the film, but I know about that piece because when we were shooting that, there are 2-3 scenes like that which hit me also because मैंने कभी हिंदी फिल्मों में ऐसा इतना extreme में गया नहीं. I mean, yeah, in बदलापुर, yeah, we would. In this, it's little different because किसी और के साथ हो रहा है, but और ये होता है हमारे सोसाइटी में, हम कितनी बार सुनते हैं इसके बारे में. I don't want to go too deep into it, but I can just tell you that the case is going to hit everyone very badly.
This is Rajiv Vijayakar, that this is an adaptation of the original, not a copy or not a direct remake. So my question is, how challenging was it to be different? And also, like Varun has said कि इसमें पहली बार एक्शन के साथ एक इमोशनल very strong core or message है. So how did you manage to blend that? And my other question I'll ask later to Vamika. Please.
Actually, when you are adapting a film, we should not lose the juice and we should make something more than that because it is almost 7 to 8 years back and it is very close to at least our. So when I'm updating something, it should not hurt its sentiment also. So and also it should be very, it's energetic and new to the current trend also. So it is a really saying it is a new experience for me. When you're writing a script, we'll start from the 1. So and we'll end at the 80. But when I'm writing the script, I have to start from 4 or I have to start from 12. You know what I mean? It's scenes. So this should connect 3 and it should connect 5. But no one should feel that okay, we write the 4 as a new scene. So this is a really great experience. I really want to thank my friend Atlee to give me that kind of torture and that kind of love to me to do this. And it's given me a new. It's like a mind-blowing experience for me to do that also, and it's really all great goes to my friend.
How did you blend that action with the emotion?
No, sir, this is a film about. It's a commercial film, very good message film. This is in OG also. It's having everything. You know, that is an emotion. The baby emotion is there, father emotion is there, and then mother emotion is there. Every emotion is there. The same way we handle everything, emotion and everything. Sir. But we updated everything. You know, the scenes and the actions, everything. The lot of foreign action directors we used, and the way Varun sir did, so no one can match that action. And then especially Jackie sir, we changed complete perspective of the antagonist. That villains is completely changed. So when you start writing, we start writing with the Jackie sir. So when you start writing that, when he became more powerful, the hero became more powerful. So that is the story. The Ravana became more powerful, the Rama powerful. So it's opposite. We should not go like this. We should go like this. So we start writing that. So everything changed. So almost whatever the sweet things is there, we'll keep holding it. Other than most of the around the Jackie sir, whatever happening, everything is new. That's why if you see it 4th reel and 7th reel, that is the interval block and the climax, it will be completely a different experience for sure. That's why.
Okay, Vamika, I have not seen anything on your original work, but in Hindi, whatever you have done, whether it's a Khufia or whether your series, you have been in a realistic zone. Now, how did this larger than life commercial zone offer a challenge to you?
देखिए, रियलिस्टिक जोन को भी क्रिएट ही करना पड़ता है. तो मेरे लिए इवन खुफिया या जुबली या ग्रहण वो सब बहुत अलग अलग दुनिया थी. और वो सब अलग अलग डायरेक्टर्स थे। तो जब आप किसी डायरेक्टर के साथ कोलैबोरेट करते हो, आप उनके साथ उन्हीं की दुनिया में जाके उस फिल्म को क्रिएट करते हो, उस कहानी को क्रिएट करते हो। आप सही कह रही हैं कि ये दुनिया बहुत अलग है उन जो मैंने कहानियाँ पहले जिनका मैं हिस्सा रही हूँ। आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट। हम इंडियंस हमने बचपन से ही, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम हमेशा बहुत रियलिस्टिक फिल्म्स देखते थे। हम सब बड़े हुए हैं कमर्शियल फिल्म्स में, लार्जर देन लाइफ, क्योंकि वो देखने में मज़ा आता है। वो आपकी नॉर्मल लाइफ से थोड़ा हटकर है, आपको उस दुनिया में जाके जहाँ पे आप थिएटर से बाहर निकलेंगे तो आपकी नॉर्मल ज़िंदगी चल रही है। तो मेरी भी बहुत ख्वाहिश थी कि मुझे ऐसी दुनिया का पार्ट होना है जो लार्जर देन लाइफ है। एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी कि मुझे चांस भी मिला। तो कैसी फिल्म है, मतलब एटली सर इज प्रोड्यूसिंग दिस फिल्म, दिस कास्ट, द प्रोड्यूसर्स, आई एम जस्ट लाइक वेरी एक्साइटेड कि मैं सीधा जंप कर रही हूँ तो बेस्ट। और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत खूबसूरत रहा, अलग था। सीन्स को देखने का नज़रिया, कैरेक्टर को देखने का नज़रिया। मैं बहुत हर एक सवाल पूछती रहती थी समझने के लिए कि ये क्या क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मुझे इनके साथ रहकर ये वाली पेंटिंग बनानी है। यू नो, इट्स लाइक मुझे बताओ ना कौन से कलर्स यूज़ कर रहे हो, मुझे बताओ ना क्या बना रहे हैं। लाइक इट्स लिटरली लाइक दैट। तो एक आर्टिस्ट को तो यही चाहिए ना कि हर बार कुछ नया क्रिएट किया जाए, नई पेंटिंग हो। तो मेरे लिए तो बस यही था, मुझे बहुत मजा आया।
वरुण भाई,
Okay, we'll take two last questions.
Congratulations to you and the team. मेरा सवाल वरुण भाई आपसे है कि आपने डुअल रोल कर लिया जुड़वा में। अब यहाँ जो फिल्म है इट इज अबाउट डुअल आइडेंटिटी। जैसे हमने देखा कि कई ऐसी फिल्में रही हैं, जैसे पेट्टा होगी या तो दरबार की, वेयर द एक्टर और द मेन कैरेक्टर्स हैविंग अ डुअल आइडेंटिटी। ऑफ कोर्स कॉप नहीं, नॉर्मल भी ऐसे डुअल आइडेंटिटी होती है। व्हाट वाज योर फेवरेट फिल्म? जैसे हम देखते हैं ना कि यहाँ पे डुअल आइडेंटिटीज वाली फिल्में होती हैं, यहाँ पे एक्टर का कुछ और होता है लेकिन निकलता
I love हम। मुकुल आनंद डायरेक्टेड दैट फिल्म, इट्स कॉल्ड हम। फिल्म में अमिताभ जी थे, रजनीकांत सर थे, गोविंदा जी थे, एंड मुकुल आनंद इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट डायरेक्टर्स व्हाइल ग्रोइंग अप। खुदा गवाह भी बनाई थी उन्होंने, एंड दैट फिल्म उस वक्त भी, जिस अग्निपथ भी बनाई थी उन्होंने द ओरिजिनल, एंड उस वक्त जब उन्होंने फिल्म बनाई थी टेक्निकली भी बहुत अहेड थी वो फिल्म। सो हम जिस तरीके का बैकग्राउंड दिया था, जिस तरीके से अमित जी का वो पास्ट और प्रेजेंट दिखाते थे, सो या तो मतलब आई थिंक अमित जी ने ऐसे कितने आइकॉनिक फिल्में की है, यू नो, देयर सो मच टू लर्न फ्रॉम हिम इटसेल्फ, जो कि न्यूअर जनरेशन ऑफ एक्टर्स शुड नॉट forget that Bible. We should not forget that Bible staying here. We should keep watching that.
Okay, so while shooting this film, आपको कैसा लगा कि living that moment? भले हमसे ना से, but कोई ऐसी फिल्म हो जो आपको लगा हो?
नहीं, वो यही जो अभी बोला मैंने, हम का ही मोमेंट है। वो एक शॉट है ना अमित जी का, जो झगड़ा होता है किधर बाहर,
बस स्टॉप पे,
and then he runs, and मुझे वो बहुत याद आया था at that point.
Okay, one last question. जी, sir, quickly thank you. जी.
स्ट्रॉन्ग किरदार ऑन स्क्रीन देखने को मिलता है, उनसे काम करते वक्त आपको क्या कुछ सीखने को मिला और किस तरह का अनुभव रहा जैकी श्रॉफ सर के साथ काम करते वक्त?
बहुत चिल्ड आउट आदमी है वो, बहुत ही आसान है उनके साथ काम करना, उनके सामने रहना, एंड हिज बिहेवियर इज अमेजिंग। वो कैसे लोगों को ट्रीट करते हैं ऑफ स्क्रीन, वो बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है उनसे, एंड ही इज टू कूल यार, ही इज वन ऑफ द कूलेस्ट एक्टर्स वी हैव। और मुझे थोड़ा बहुत एक्शन भी करना था उनके साथ, काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें हैं मेरी उनके साथ, बट ही गेव मी फुल फ्रीडम। ही इज़ वेरी फिट, स्टिल वेरी वेरी फिट। सो आई थिंक Kalis and me had a great time working with Jackie sir. I think he was an amazing fit. Atlee sir has worked with Jagu Dada and Bigil as well before this, and from day one for the casting of for this role, Atlee sir he said, "This is the man. This is the man." And he's gone beyond. I think this is I couldn't say reintroduction, but this is Jackie Shroff 3.0, I would say. You see what he's done in the film.
Because Jagu Dada, because I have worked with him, he was done a role in my film as a villain in Tamil film called Bigil. He has done an outstanding job. So I was very confident. once I did photo shoot, everyone was, oh my god, what is this? So I think that is being reflected today to the audience also, because wherever we have seen the trailer, apart from Varun, I think the theatre went into a stadium mode whenever his portion comes. I think he's going to be the key wicket in the film. He has done something else. He has been a crazy one. Like for example, I love animals very much. I love Bobby sir role in that film. Like that, I think Jagu Dada will be most appreciated villain in this film. I personally feel it, and I think it's going to make it also.
Thank you so much, and I'm sure